and welcome to Why Buy. Today I'm talking about this palette right here in my hands. This is the Tartelette Toasted palette by Tarte Cosmetics. First things first though, you need to know something about me. I am so picky when it comes to eyeshadows. Like, I want them to be pigmented, I want them to be buildable and blendable and versatile, because I want to be able to take the same eyeshadow palette and create an infinite amount of looks. And I actually went into like Sephora, Ulta, I read reviews about other stuff like on the online cosmetic places, and I found this, palette, and I've used Tarte in the past, like several other products, and I went to Ulta and I swatched it on my arm and I just fell in love. So of course I purchased it, and I'm so glad I did, because I use this palette basically every day. Like, whether I'm doing like an everyday like natural look, or if I'm going out on the weekends and I want a more deeper, like more sultry look, yeah, this palette does it all. Actually, the latte color at the bottom, I'm literally almost halfway through it already because I use it every day. That's my favorite color. And they're just all so warm and very inviting colors. And yeah, I have not been disappointed by this palette. It is an everyday palette for me, which is saying something. If you thought this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.